love to do things for me. I'm the luckiest person in the world. My wants and needs are first. I attract abundance and endless opportunities. My progress has been appreciated. I am beautiful inside and out. I never run out of joy, peace, and happiness that keeps flowing. I am relaxed. A relaxed soul and beautiful spirit. Take long or short walks to reset your mind. I am important. I desire tranquility. I celebrate who I am and continue to be successful. Happiness is my new tune. Seeing nature is relaxing to my spirit. I can focus on my path. The sun radiates me. Opportunities come easy to me. I am glowing in my own gladness. #summerglow. I am at peace. Joy flows wherever I go. Create joy wherever I begin. I am blessed, and every blessing I do embrace. Rhythm or upbeat flow is welcome. When love visits, it will be safe, secure, and God-backed. I'm already spoiled, please don't disturb. I am strong, confident, and unstoppable. Whatever may be going on behind my back, God has got me.